Good morning, students. This is your English class. We were studying about passive voice, and we had studied the passive voice of present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. Then after number 4, present perfect continuous. This is not changed into passive voice, so we can't make it passive. Then after number 5, that is past indefinite. Today we are going to study about the passive of the past indefinite tense. While making it into passive, from active to passive, we have to bear on our minds that in the passive of the past, the helping verbs will be was and were. For singular, that is was. For plural, that is were. And with them, we have to make the use of the third form of the action, third form of the verb, because there is always third form of the verb in the passive voice. Repeating, with singular subject was, with plural subject were. Was is for singular subject, were is for plural subject, and with that the third form of the verb. Then after, I have written some examples of active voice of the past indefinite tense. The first one is I saw a tiger. In Hindi, मैंने tiger देखा. That is second form of the action. The first form is see. That is the root word. The first form is see. Saw is second. While making it into the negative, we are using see, first form of the action, with the helping verb did. In the third sentence, that is negative question, because we are putting the helping verb at the first place in the sentence. The sentence is, the negative question is, did I not see a tiger? In Hindi, क्या मैंने tiger नहीं देखा था? And the fourth and the last one is, that is positive question. And the sentence is, did I see a tiger? क्या मैंने tiger देखा था? Now we change this active voice into passive voice. The sentences are, a tiger was seen by me. A tiger, this is singular. With singular we have to use was. Third form of the verb seen. A tiger was seen by me. Tiger मेरे द्वारा देखा गया था. That is in Hindi. We compare both of the sentences. मैंने टाइगर देखा और टाइगर मेरे द्वारा देखा गया. In both of the sentences, I am the doer. दोनों में देखने वाला, जो काम करने वाला इंसान है, वो मैं हूँ, चाहे मैं पहले आऊँ चाहे मैं बाद में आऊँ. Whether I come at the first place or at the last doesn't matter, because meanings are the same of the both of the sentences. Then after, a tiger was not seen. Helping verb plus not, helping verb plus not. The structure of all of the sentences is the same, whether that is active or passive. A tiger was not seen by me. In Hindi, tiger मेरे द्वारा नहीं देखा गया था. I am using for singular subject was, third form of the action seen. Negative sentence, I am using not. Then after, in the third sentence, I am putting the helping verb at the first place in the sentence. That is negative question, and the sentences is, was a tiger not seen by me? क्या टाइगर मेरे द्वारा नहीं देखा गया था? And the last one and the fourth one is positive question. The sentence is, was a tiger seen by me? Helping verb was for singular subject, third form of the verb seen. Another sentence, number 2, he wrote a letter. Same sentences. Saw second form, wrote second form. Did plus first, did plus first, did plus first. Wrote second form, did plus first, did plus first, did plus first. ही रॉट ए लेटर इन हिंदी, उसने लेटर लिखा। ही डिड नॉट राइट ए लेटर, उसने लेटर नहीं लिखा। डिड ही नॉट राइट ए लेटर, क्या उसने लेटर नहीं लिखा। डिड ही राइट ए लेटर, क्या उसने लेटर लिखा। नाउ वी मेक इट इनटू द पैसिव। द सेंटेंसेस आर a letter was written by him, was for singular, written third form of the action. A letter was written by him, a letter was not written by him. Was a letter not written by him, was a letter written by him. I have made you understand the difference between active and passive through these examples. Now you have to do 2 examples in your fair notebooks of grammar part. First sentence, then after 4 sentences. Sentence number 2, 4 sentences. Total 8 sentences in active, 8 sentences in passive. आपको अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में जैसे मैंने ये सेंटेंस बनाए हैं एक्टिव में और पैसिव वॉइस में, उसी तरह से आपको ये भी नोट डाउन करने हैं। इनके अलावा मैंने सेंटेंस नंबर 1, सेंटेंस नंबर 2, यानी कि मैंने आपको 2 एग्जांपल दिए एक्टिव के, 2 ही एग्जांपल दिए मैंने आपको पैसिव के। टोटल 8 + 8 16 सेंटेंसेस आपको ऐसे ही ये भी नोट करने हैं। इसके अलावा आपको 2 एग्जांपल एक्टिव वॉइस और 2 एग्जांपल पैसिव वॉइस। इट मींस 8 सेंटेंसेस एक्टिव वॉइस, 8 सेंटेंसेस पैसिव वॉइस। ये आपको अपने फेयर नोटबुक में करने हैं। तो जितना मैंने किया, मैंने टोटल 16 सेंटेंसेस किए हैं, आपको 32 सेंटेंसेस करने हैं। 2 जो मैंने किए हैं वो 2 आपको अपनी तरफ से करने हैं। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू।